Bears dominated the March series that we've just concluded, with the Nifty declining more than 4% and posting the worst series that we've had since September 2020, and Coal India declined the most. But I was also given to understand from various market participants that the rollover picture was quite robust both for the Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank when you compare it to the 3-month average, thereby indicating that market participants were confident of carrying forward their short positions. How the market actually positioned themselves ahead of expiry was the fact that the Nifty's PCR had slipped below the 1 mark as compared to 1.23 at the start of the series. Even the FII's positioning in the index futures, the net long positions had slipped to sub 60% level as compared to 75% plus levels that we had during the start of the series. But moving on to the index performance, the Nifty Bank also posted the worst series that we've had since September 2020. In fact, all of its constituents declined except for Bandhan Bank. As for the broader markets, they did manage to outperform and gain or lose marginally. However, they also managed to snap their 5 series gaining streak, that is for the mid and the small cap indices. The Nifty PSU Bank index was the worst performing sector during March, and that too snapped its 5 series gaining streak. The Nifty Pharma in fact extended its series loss to 3 in a row, and the Nifty Auto also snapped its 5 series gaining streak, with Ashok Leyland declining the most. On the flip side, you had only the Nifty FMCG as well as the IT index which managed to hold on into the green, just about 1 to 3% gains for those two indices. If you talk about stock gainers, there was a few mid-cap IT names in the top gainers list. You had Mindtree and Coforge India, along with Adani Enterprises, which surged more than 15 to 20%, and Grasim from the Nifty index made it into the way of the top gainers as well. And Deepak Nitrite, which was recently included or the latest entrant into the FNO segment, that also posted handsome gains for itself during the series. Talking about the losers, you had Bank of Baroda, which declined more than 20%. Then you had Vodafone Idea, Manappuram Finance, along with Ashok Leyland that I just mentioned, that also made it into its way to the top 10 losing stocks. And you had Coal India, which not only declined the most for the Nifty but was also one of the worst performing stocks that we've had during the March series.